Which vehicle goes vroom in the rainforest? And which one splashes through puddles? Let's go on a rainforest ride and find out together. Look, here comes a bright yellow Jeep. It drives on bumpy roads and helps people get around the tall trees and thick vines. Next, we see a green boat floating on the river. It can carry kids and grown-ups on the water, gliding past big leaves and colorful birds singing in the trees. What's that sound? It's a red helicopter flying high above the trees, spinning its blades and looking for animals below. There's also a big blue truck that helps carry food and water to friends who live deep in the rainforest. Last, we spot a little orange bike with big tires. It zooms through the mud and splashes in puddles, making everyone laugh and smile. Each vehicle is special and helps people explore and take care of the rainforest home. Did you guess which vehicle goes vroom? It's the bright yellow Jeep. The Jeep zooms on the ground, dodging rocks and logs with a happy roar. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.